It is with a certain degree of hope that this Apeman camera at the front here lasted more than a few minutes on the freeway. It's shaking constantly. So obviously I haven't reviewed the footage from when I had the camera swapped around. When I got off the bike, this Apeman camera had completely fallen over. I did hit a reasonable bump on the freeway, and I'm hoping that's when it fell over, and it didn't just fall over immediately as soon as I started riding. I'm on more or less the home stretch from my ride today. We're going to come back through Maui and do my favourite Haunted Hills Road. Now, this protective case on the Apeman had completely fogged up, presumably from the heat of the camera, and I can see that condensation starting already looking at it now. So I may have to consider putting some anti-fog spray in there and hoping that helps. I have a sneaking suspicion that the footage is going to be blurry as anything, just because of that condensation. Evidently this camera gets quite hot. At any rate, I've got the GoPro on the front fender. I've been meaning to try that for quite a while now, but none of the other cameras have fallen off, so I feel reasonably safe that the GoPro is going to be alright. I've not got much narration for this video because I got all excited on the previous video. Hopefully the rear-facing GoPro on the first ride is stable enough for usable footage. Otherwise I'll be really annoyed. But these were experimental camera angles from the beginning. The only way I'm going to know if it's going to be usable is if I even try. I suppose we'll find out how good the image stabilization is on this with this front mount here. I don't know whether they're called I suppose it's a rear facing mount. Right, let's turn right onto Haunted Hills Road. Now, immediately Alright, we're just going to have to roll with that. Oh. Now, I'm not planning on riding too spirited along here today. We'll just take it nice and easy, I think. We'll get some hopefully nice sweeping corner shots for the GoPro. I am a fan of the counter lean. Bumps.